All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today, me and Ryan finished up the unit we were working on yesterday, including the makeup, mud rings, and any other missing straps and stuff like that. I just want to say once again, thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers. I'm super happy about that and so thankful. So don't forget to check out the giveaway video, which is live until Sunday. Doing a $50 Cash App giveaway, so make sure to check out that video of all the rules. So here is the kitchen from yesterday that I was working on. So I went ahead and landed all the wires, put the mud rings on, strapped down the dishwasher wire, and then worked on this second unit right here today with my other coworker. He basically landed all the wires in the box, and I just went through and made up everything because he had to go do something else. So I just went ahead and tied all the wires together as they should be, and actually I didn't put on any mud rings yet, but I was about to, but ran out of time for the day. So the only thing left in this room right here is this hallway switch. This is the last thing to make up in the room besides the panel. It was missing a switch leg, so I added that. I accidentally put two in there, so I had to take one of them back out because I got confused for a second. But other than that, I got everything strapped down that was missing a strap. All the wires should be in the boxes and stuff like that. So yeah, so that's what I worked on today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Hit the like button, subscribe. I think I might have already said that, but it would help out the channel, and I appreciate it so much if you were to do that. God bless. Have an awesome Christmas, guys. Bye.